This latest project by Midtown Partners in North Dallas is a perfect example of what we're seeing trending in kitchen design in 2024. It is the perfect balance of masculine and feminine elements, and you can see a very subtle but powerful evolution in design trends. In the past, we were seeing a lot of painted cabinets and contrasting counters and backsplashes, and that created a modern look for the time. It was a lot of black and white, which made a strong statement and presented cooler tones. Now, it's all about warmth. This builder leaned into this darker, masculine mosaic tile for the backsplash, but beautifully complemented it with the softness of these white oak cabinets. This tile is from Porcelanosa and it's called Paradise Arrow. They repeated the color in the island with Sherwin-Williams iron ore, which is a popular color that we're hearing about a lot. The backsplash and center island bring a sophisticated and dramatic element to the kitchen, which is then beautifully balanced with the warm tones of the wood cabinets and the brass hardware from Top Knob in honey bronze. I'm obsessed with these large picture windows and the way the builder preserved this natural light. They didn't want to cover the window with a vent hood, so the solution was to install a downdraft venting system, which preserves the permanent view and bathes the space in natural light. They went with natural stone quartzite counters. This particular style is called Denali Quartzite, and they finished the space with this modern light fixture by Visual Comfort, which has black and brass accents. This is just a perfect execution of a timeless style that hits all the right design notes.